Well, hello guys, and welcome back for another episode of Gathering Rust Hobby Farm. We had a huge snow here in Kentucky, as you can see by the footage. Yesterday, 2 days ago, I was not even able to come home from work. I stayed at a friend's house, and so I finally made it home last night. And we're gonna start the tractor, as my friend over at Peace in the Valley has already made a video. I think it was 12 degrees for his. This morning it was 6 degrees out here, 12 degrees earlier. Right now the sun's out. We just finished breakfast and I think it's about 20 degrees. So we're gonna do a cold start. We're gonna not even clean the tractor off, unfortunately. Right now I've got it out in the snow. So we're gonna start it with the snow on it and everything, and then I'll clean it off and let it run while I'm cleaning it off. But I wanted you to see that process and kind of share that with you. So well, you can see how much snow's on the tractor. That's just kind of where we are right now. We have to deal with this. Unfortunately, we have some structural issues in the house, and we're dealing with that. So we were going to build a garage, but due to the pricing, we could not do it. And now with the flooding and everything that's been going on, we have some structural damage at the house. So we've got to deal with that first. So that's where we're at. So that puts us here with snow all over the tractor. We're going to try to remedy that a little bit, maybe get a tarp to go over it. But anyway, cold start on the RK25. What you want to do when you cold start this thing, turn the key to the left. It's spring loaded and you hold it there. Now the way I like to do it, if it's 50 degrees out, I hold it for 3 seconds. If it's 10 degrees lower at 40, I hold it for 2 additional seconds. So that's kind of how I do it. Also, on the dash, you'll see like a little coil. Once you turn it to the right, before you turn it over, you turn it over to the right, and there'll be a little like coil thing. It's yellow. Once that goes out, then you're good to start the engine. That means the glow plugs have done what they need to do. So that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to have to clean the dash off so I can see the lights. I'm doing the hold to the left. And then I'm going to turn it over to the right. Make sure that my spring goes out, or the little coil. Okay, the coil went out.
Well, there it is, and now you have it. Below freezing temperatures, and had no problem starting the RK25. We've got a lot of videos coming up. We've done a lot of work with the backhoe, and this snow will melt quickly as it's going to rain tomorrow. We hope to see you on future episodes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for joining us here at Gathering Rust Hobby Farm.